So for him, we're changing the shape up. Right now, he's more rounded. The sides are a little too bushy for him, so we're gonna take that down and make it more at an angle. So I'm gonna start with the fall, then I'm gonna go with the grain, just to knock some of that bulk off. And I'm angling it in the shape that he's going for. And then against the grain here, because we want this area to be less bulky. And then we're also doing our premium beard service with him. So that comes with the steamer. That's just gonna add some extra hydration to the beard. So we go against the grain where we want it shorter, and then with the grain where we want it to be a little longer. So we're starting to see that shape form more now. Now I'm gonna go in with these trimmers. So we're gonna clean up this here and any strays that's like falling out past the line here. So I just comb it, over direct it, any hair that's past that line there, get that off. I'm gonna have you turn that way for me. So having a client turn the opposite way gives you that clear line here instead of trying to reach in between their shoulder and their neck. And then you're gonna comb a couple times, then cut, comb, cut. That way you just get all those hairs that's curled, all the hairs that's way, and then let me get your look up for me. Don't forget to pull that skin tight. And then to get those underneath neck hairs, what I like to do is like comb it, but also tilt my comb out, and that kind of grips those hairs. You have such a nice beard.
Thank you.
But you take care of it too. You put products in, moisturize it. Can you feel that steam a little bit?
I like it.
When you want to use your mirror, check your points. So make sure that both sides are starting to curve down at the same height. He looks pretty even there. So I'm just going to use the shear just to help with that shape a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna clean up the lines on the cheek. This side looks a little lower, so we're just gonna match on this side and then clean up the mustache. So I just wanna comb the hairs. At first I comb them down just to get them all uncurled on each other. Then I take the comb up under, angle it out. I like to cut down first. You're gonna get this layer up here. First, when you comb up like this, and you go down, you're hitting this layer here. To get this layer up here to flatten the bulk a little bit, now we want to cut up. And then these corners here, not gonna cut them too short, but I'm gonna give them a little bit of a cleanup. Kind of over direct that hair. And just a light cleanup, just keep it neat. Now after you get it all cut down, now you want to line it. So I'm just using the corner of my blade here. And then for the corner, the inside corner of the whip, I use my thumb to lift that skin up. That way I can see and get that cleaned out for them. So I'm gonna prep you for the razor. A little bit of oil. Rub that in good. Okay, so you got your hair rest here. Relax there. I'm gonna lean you back some more. Feel comfortable there? Okay. And here comes that warm towel. That feel okay? And then this would be a good time to put any moisturizing products you want to put on the beard with that hot towel, because that hot towel is going to force it into the hair follicle and get it nice and soft. We'll just let this sit for a second. While he's marinating, I'm going to put a glove on the hand that I'm going to be using to pull his skin. Also put some shave gel on, and then load my razor up. And the shave gel, I put on pretty thick. The more glide, the better for me. All right. So you're gonna pull that skin taut. I like to anchor my fingers so it's steady. So to get around this little corner, I'm using just the corner of the blade. So when I'm putting pressure, using this finger to put pressure, I'm only putting it on this end, not this end. Pull that skin tight. If I see any spot that looks suspect, like it might be a mold, as I'm shaving, I'll go down and then I'll run my thumb over it just to make sure it's smooth. All right, so at this point, his direction of hair growth is changing. Now the hair here is growing up, so I'm gonna switch positions so I can go with the grain. And then you definitely wanna pull that skin tight again. And then sometimes with that hot towel, it relaxes some of those curly hairs. So we're just gonna comb everything down and freshen up those lines. And then another little trick you can do, if there's a lot of skin to stretch and you only need a small area, you can use like 2 fingers and like pull them apart and then just working on that little section between 2 fingers. Last part, I'm gonna go in with the foil shaver. Get it extra smooth. I'm gonna use a little bit of balm, help it give some shape. Just a little bit, like half a nail, like right there, just a tiny bit. Is that about what you're using? Perfect. And then so that way your face doesn't get too greasy, I just use it on the outside. Whereas the oil, I rub it in, get it out the skin. More of the balm, I just put it on the outside just to help give it that shape. Look, all right. Eyebrows pretty easy, just comb everything down. Now, do you want me to go ahead and clean off the back of your neck for you? Awesome. And this is cold, so I like to put this on before the hot towel. That feel okay? All right, let's get your look down a little bit. Same as the beard, just want to pull that skin pretty tight. Anything else you need touched up?
No, I think you've been low.
All right.